You gonna take a couple steps to Mama? Yeah, those are your books. Are you ready, Lucy? Come on. Are you ready? Come on, Lucy. You want to try it again? Yeah, I know it's a good distraction. Come on. Lucy. Come on. Take a couple steps. Ready? Look, I'm right here. You ready? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Look at you. Look at you. Yeah. You took another step? Yes. Yeah.
You want to walk to Daddy? Can you walk over all the way over to Daddy?
You can do it.
Come here.
You can do it. Yes, you can. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay.
What's this? This is new too.
Are you doing the bear walk? Are you doing the bear walk? Yeah.
Stand up. Here. Do you want me to help you stand up? No?
It's
Okay.
okay. Look at you. You bear walking. Yeah? Yeah. You want to come stand up by Mama? You want to come over to Mama and stand up? Yeah? You want to come over here? There's your bike. Yeah, that's your bike. Lucy's bike, yeah. Cheese.
Is this the Lucy triathlon here?
Okay, are you ready? You want to take a couple steps? You want to take some steps? You want to take some steps on your own, Lucy? Should we wipe your nose? Let's wipe your nose. Ready? Okay. There we go. Okay. Cheese. You want to take some steps? You want to go over here? You can stand up here. And then take some steps towards Mama. Or you can do it here.